and this looks so yummy and nice. Hey everyone, this is Nancy from Taste of Life Vlog. Today I'm going to teach you how to make delicious homemade dishes to share with your family and friends. So let's get started. Today we are making an easy and delicious, just plain amazing vanilla pound cake. So take a bowl and add all-purpose flour 1.5 cup. Now add salt 1 teaspoon for balance and baking powder 1/2 teaspoon for levering, and give a good mix. Make sure you sift the all-purpose flour. Now set it aside and take a different bowl. Now it's time for the butter. So take a bowl and add unsalted butter 1 cup, which is room temperature soft like this. When you press your finger, it's like not pressing, but yeah, very soft. And now whisk it for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, once that's started, now it's the time to add the castor sugar. So I've added 1 cup of castor sugar, and now whisk it again for 2 to 3 minutes. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Don't forget to scrap the ball down from all the sides. Once you're done, then you have to whisk it again on medium-low speed. Once the butter is like kind of nice and fluffy, so this is a time to add the eggs. So in this recipe, I'm using 4 eggs in total. So now I'm gonna add 1 egg at a time. Now whisk it again. So let the eggs incorporated. Make sure you don't dump them in all at once. So like one by one we have to add the eggs. Now add the last 2 eggs together and whisk it again. Now scrap that bowl down again, and this looks really pretty good. So this is the time we're gonna add salt cream. So I've added 1/2 cup of salt cream. It gives you a lot of moisture, a little bit of tang, but it's just delicious. First mix it with your hand and then whisk it later. Traditionally, a pound cake was actually a pound of butter, a pound of eggs, a pound of flour. But this recipe is different. It's not like that. So it's actually very delicious and very easy, like delicious version. Now add vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons. You can add any vanilla flavor you have, like essence, extract, whatever. So whisk it again and let's incorporate everything together. If you're looking of any other flavors, you can add a tablespoon of any kind of zest, or a lemon zest or anything, a tablespoon or 2. So that will give you another flavor in it. It will be amazing and very fragrant. Alright, now is the time to add the flour mixture. We made this in the beginning. It has the all-purpose flour, baking powder and salt. So mix it with the hand, or you obviously the spatula first, and later on you can just whisk it up for just to avoid all the lumps in it. Look at that. It looks beautiful, so creamy. Scrape the bowl down again and see, look at that, the texture, no lumps in it. It's all dissolved, combined, it looks nice. Now grease the cake pan with butter, or you can use the parchment paper, as it helps in cake to come out nicely. Or you can use the flour if you want. You can put the flour and make it cover all the sides. Now we are going to pour the batter in the cake tin. And make sure you spread the batter evenly at all the corners, like that. Tap the pan on the counter a few times after filling it with batter. It actually helps bring the bubbles to the surface and level out the top of your cake. Now we're going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Let's put the cake in the oven and press it for 40 minutes. Here we go. Now the cake is ready and it came out really nice. Very soft and fluffy, and it's very hot. Now the cake has cooled down, so I'm going to take this out from the pan. Tap tap. Here we go. Flip this over and look at that. The softness. Here we go. The pound cake is ready, or we can say the plain vanilla loaf cake is ready. Friends, if you like this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and see you next time.